reunited and it feels so good.
The 164 Chef Mediterranean buffet revolving restaurant reservation. Please dial A933 A21A
Kadim,
or
so much.
A933 A219 or 1A92231.
So, I'm not think I could have done the reservation on here, so.
Or press
Bumbo.
1.
Oh, okay, I press one.
164.
No, this funny. Hi guys! Guess who's with me? Reunited and it feels so good. So guys, we are in Guangzhou. No, not catch up with what about something.
Africa, China.
Yeah, well, where black people live. Well, where African people live. But it's nice. Hello.
Wear your mask.
Okay. So today we are in Guangzhou, as I was saying, and we're going to this. We're going for dinner. Expensive dinner too, you know. This girl wants.
Kadim, I don't have.
You don't? I'm on carry one.
I'm never been so somewhere.
Or they might give it. I'm not sure. Nothing, you know. Landmark. But it look like, oh, which part would they cause me? I say luggage. Like,
We're at the right place to go. I'm very
I know this, but so anyways, we are at the Canton Tower. And that minute I say, yeah, him come here, I say, oh, that man just stand up. So anyways, we're at the Canton Tower, and we're lost, to be honest. We need to find a mask for. Let's go here, so let's see if them have. We need to find masks with Amouy. But normally the security port they have masks. Well, like in Dongguan they do. I guess Dongguan is really rich. Guys, I'm soon come back. Confusion. Okay, thank you. Cool. Man, it hurt this one. Wait a minute, okay.
French restaurant.
And welcome, 7 o'clock. We come before 8. Half an hour for $600. Guys, why are you blurry? Focus. So guys, we made it. It's a very complicated thing. We got tickets and stuff. I guess this can go up to the tower top. So we're at the Canton Tower, as I was telling you before, where we're going to eat some expensive food.
Big boys.
Oh, yes, that pop. Yes, that pop. We're going up to the 105th floor because this is the highest, one of the highest towers that rotating towers
In the restaurant in a building.
True. Yes.
True.
It hurt me. So I'm sure about both of them.
Then I serve soup because I'm rotating.
So we might, the rotating might left way. If we come back, I same outfit my wear. So this is my outfit for up here. 105? Yeah. Okay. Hey. Hello. Mediterranean restaurant? Kadim. Is it? Okay. No. Yeah. So when they here, she better not carry up nowhere when I'm not. I don't like she carry go fancy seating. No more space and I can see. Okay. I'm not really see nothing. Yeah. So we're here, guys. I'm not feel we are rotate or say we are rotate, but hey, we'll come back and let you guys know what is happening. Maybe the rotation done. But let me show you our outside view. And to my date over there, kind of feeling nervous because she's spending some money on me, you know? Big boys. So guys, according to them, it's 600 RMBs to eat here. So yeah, 600 RMB. But they serve soup. Okay, so them have different menus. This one, they eat this is a 680. If you eat this, it's a 48. 480. If you eat this, it's a 580. So you get soup, you get an appetizer, you get a main course, you get dessert. What is it outside? Somebody I walk out in the sun. Oh, in the sun. What do you mean go outside? Okay. So we're gonna have this, right? Yeah. So we're just having the roast lamb chops and not the baked steaks, so right? So two of these. Two lamb chops.
Two lamb chop?
Yes.
Okay. What sauce?
What sauce do you want? Red wine. Do we get red wine with? Do we get any kind of drink with our food? No? No. Drink is separate. Do we get any drink?
Just normal.
Okay. Because we just realized I sauce. We just realized I red wine sauce is on for red wine. Just a moment. Then can give me, we can pay for the $600 and not for drink. This lime water shred. Oh, it's a lime. Lime shred. It's cold? Not even cold. Water, hot lime water. I took this for you, darling.
The sauce is on the side.
Okay. And we're asking if do we get something to drink?
Yes.
What do we get?
I show you the menu.
Okay.
That's the
And
thing
it's
is
in the total as well, right? Or it's separate?
separate.
Okay.
Yeah. Including the set, just only these things.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. How do you like the lamb chop? Medium, well done?
Well done.
Both well done?
Yes.
Okay. Coffee or tea?
Coffee. So guys, we got. Thank you. I did my best. $720, $134. Wine. Oh, we're about to drink. That's for the wine part. We're going to cocktail it. Cocktail is $68. Okay. Sure. We're going to enjoy tonight and see margarita free. Sir, I need to rotate. From 600. If I ever make a table alone, make me feel better. Serve. I'm going to ask you come back. What's happened to the rotator? I said, what? I'm be able to do Oh, we only rotate between 1 hour. I'm coming back. Give me a ticket, give me a pass so that I come back for free. But it's nice. Maybe. Whichever one, but it tastes nice. I'm gonna eat my stuff. Oh God. Just so high. Expensive food, obviously. Guys, I don't know, let's go try the soup and see how it works. Oh, that's not so damn put on the soup. I thought we did not ask you. Have I said, no, how much my eye fool me? Can't even love you. High quality. I don't say things like that. Can't even say what. I'm not putting on bag. See, I put the food for the nasty. I'm not putting on bag. Can't even put them. I'm going to put it in. Oh no, this is right. Look, can I see? Yes, that's it. I think I saw him create something. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what is mushroom soup. Mushroom soup, I'm just sitting there pile of ice. Right, flash there. I look for flash, guys. See? You look at the soup? Yeah. I don't know what it is. But let us try it. Can't knock it till they try it. And I don't know what to do in the soup. People that might watch video like alright, so we're gonna try a mushroom soup. So me must try that. Now what is mushroom? Alright. Must smell bad. It have an acquired taste. It don't taste bad. If we belly at it tomorrow. It's salty. We just have. We're gonna eat KFC after we're done doing
See how much money we just spend. We're barely having fun.
I don't understand what the Amouy is about, guys. It's something.
Belly mago earthy.
Like I did wash me out. Guys. I'm not paying no mind.
Yeah, look foggy. Or am I?
Not foggy because the rain fall out the door. We really the eye up now. We are rotating now. Yeah. Let's start rotating.
Okay, so we're actually moving. That's what Karim says.
Yeah, you know, see?
I think. Let me show you.
Look at girl.
You're moving. Slowly.
We start rotating.
We are in the world's highest rotating restaurant in Bourbon. If you know, you know.
Rich life.
Yep. Yeah, God. We're moving. life is nice. I like this. But we just need to them more to the glass.
But I guess through them we are rotating, we can make two glass. But you know, something then in there close to the glass.
Maybe we go put us up and take two pictures.
Then better up and feed us so we can go upstairs to take pictures. Exactly.
Come here, so we're not going to wait, you know?
And you know how we like take full picture of them. We'll try to see if they have time. It tastes like, it looks so like milk, but it's salty. That's our problem, it's salty. It tastes nice enough, but at the salt. I move too slow, I move fast.
I don't want to move fast enough. Next thing we can go down, come with busy.
Well, literally, I move like a snail.
No, it's a fast because the last time we never crossed or something. The side, I guess I did.
And I try the mushroom. Guys, to eat at restaurants like this, you have to have to acquire the taste. And this girl, I waste her money right now.
When I eat at cheap restaurant, when I'm served this, I'm not money like cheap place, but not like big 600 money.
Okay, I'm done now. I had a mushroom and I drank some of coffee.
But I like mushroom, but I don't like this.
You know, need a little more light. You know, some people I go vlog in here. Them bright things. I like them.
There is a moment in
Everything in China is sexy. Sexy spotlight. I'm not coming here. I'm not have no man. Romantic food. So this restaurant is the highest rotating restaurant.
Guinness World Book. That is so legit.
Yeah, so it's the restaurant is the highest rotating one in the book of Guinness, you know. So the real rich thing is who say one Rolex on my hand. We're starting the new year.
Real rich.
I might find my husband tonight, you never know. I don't know nobody over here. I just real one. Maybe one of the waiters, you know, so I can come here often for free. So guys, everything came out. Let me put my flash on for y'all. So, or duck and or lamb chop. Really nice. It tastes good. Really? Guys, the duck breast was not that good.
Not that.
No. Would you tell him what kind of sauce you want?
You did tell them what your order was for them tomorrow?
I think I did. Then let's see when we order. So now we're having the lamb chop. Let us see if it is any better.
You check your plate. I don't always mind food something like this. I don't want no.
Maybe. It's well dry. I get well done. The lamb chop on my back, only done something like that 1 year. It's good for that dish. And it is juicy.
Let me see. cost? Oh, what's the
We paid for the rotation.
How much is that? The big 600.
Guys, I don't even, I would recommend. You can come for the experience. Yeah, some of the told me to come because of the experience but nothing else. And it's not even well done there, that's the other thing. So why for drive? Oh, maybe.
Must get my teeth.
You take a taste, yeah, what after ever?
KFC? Yeah, I find that like now.
KFC.
Oh, I think it's a tasty.
Before we start, we say it. Don't. But it's always good to come places for the experience. And nobody can style me. Because right now, I'm going to Canton Tower and eat at a restaurant. And somebody asked me, oh, don't go there, so. Oh, go there if you want, but that's for the experience. Not for the food. So yeah, take your time.
Thank you. I don't know why.
And the last thing on our $600 bill. Well, other than the coffee, we have coffee.
We have?
We have. We're gonna have coffee
When?
after this, I think. It looks good. Does it taste good though?
It's okay.
It's okay? It tastes chocolatey?
Yeah, it's very chocolatey, but it's too dry.
Okay, let us try it. Okay, let us try. Okay, let me a video.
Comes super. God, my skin was stretching out to go tonight.
Forget to go up here and eat something. A bump off up my face. You don't start already. You can't eat again for the rest of the night, so you just have to go with me.
You can eat again? Why? The belly full? No?
Too much calories in this. Or the coffee. Thank you. Get trouble.
Too chocolatey. You try at least the one good design I think.
Sugar.
Give them a back for dinner so they can do the design. Tell them to draw the weather.
I don't see any design. Just 600? No design? Okay.
Something should be special about it.
I got a coffee shop where I buy coffee
I could go to Luckin Coffee, not even Starbucks, Luckin Coffee, they would give me
some design. And I think it's $40 a pay. What is
for this person. Must rotate when the kitchen will start work. When the kitchen is busy.
Actually, the thing about it is you have to dip the ice cream with it and it's nicely.
Who's song that?
Well, fine dining music.
Like, you put it on mine.
Yeah,
It
that's
sound good. To fit your occasion.
We just look for such a fine dining music.
You
What do you think are the best spots? We'll talk about it after. Let us finish. Alright, so we're leaving the restaurant, guys. So, Amouy, what did you eat that you enjoy?
I guess the ice cream.
Yeah, the dessert was the best part.
Yeah, it was good, but it was a bit too much for me because chocolate, ice cream.
Allergies. Tomorrow I'm going to my allergy cream, I'm sure that. So now we're going to observe. Up at her? Yeah.
Oh, I'm so I'm supposed to do nice.
Yeah. Wow, 579.
So I'm not put my note.
But that's not blingy. Bling one. Yes. Thank you.
Can learn Chinese, right?
Shishini.
We should.
Come on, so I can learn Chinese, but just look him shishi. So how much for them things there?
96.
We're paying for one each. So when I get another bag or nothing? Scan. We should get it free with a meal.
Yeah, it's okay.
So we bought this, guys. So cute. I like them.
We can't afford the ones that we really want.
Yeah.
We spent it on the meal.
Because we really wanted that one, but it's 500 and stuff dollars, you know, and as Amouy said, we spent it on our meal.